Hello and welcome to the Finger Lakes region of upstate New York. We're in Watkins Glen, New York, here in Watkins Glen International for the Zippo at the Glen. Joining me alongside his Hall of Fame broadcaster of the Truck Series now has a new lump on his head from last race, Joshua Michaels.
Hello everybody, and I already got cream on that. Anyway, welcome to Watkins Glen here. This is a great racetrack.
It's going to be a great race. It's coming down to the wire here, Josh, between the wild card contenders. Let's quickly get to your top 10. Leo Walker, Tim Montoya, Jackie Tangy, Lena Rose, Peachy London, Tom Hall, Andrew Robinson, Chris Washer, Zachary Fitzwater, and Diana Vasquez in 10th. Rounding out the field is Ian Dutta in the 3. Not going to make this chase by a long shot, so this is another race for him. Quickly, Josh, picks presented by Vredestein. Who do you got?
I'm gonna go with the pole sitter. Actually, no, Tim Montoya.
All right, I'm going to go with the pole sitter. Leo Walker going to win this one, but anyone can win a race here if you gamble correctly on cautions, if we have any. But we got a race to worry about. This is the second to the last regular season race of the year, of the season. Final green flag of season 7 at Watkins Glen.
Final green flag, final road course green flag here. Final start here, road course. Let's see them go down. They're pretty good so far here.
So far, so good.
And let's see, there's number 3 right there. I mean, there's Mr. Ian Dutta doing a great job. So we haven't talked about Ian Dutta a lot.
Yeah, Ian Dutta not making a lot of noise this season. He's kind of calmed it down since we started the race to the chase. He was up there, but now he's not looking like he's going to make a single crack at the wild card here. Robert Pietro right here in the 6th.
Yeah.
Most likely can make it at Mallory Park.
Yeah, I think he can as well.
So far, so good. There's your point leader, Annie Thomas. Amit Yumi. Locked into the chase. Nothing to worry about for her.
Yep, so she's one of the 2 drivers that are locked in.
Yeah, the other one being Jed Timms here. Jed Timms making a lot of noise here in the race to the chase. There he is right there. He just went by the screen right there. He is currently in 16th. Daniel Boyles still on the bubble. Could make a wild card spot at Mallory Park, but it's going to be a long shot for him.
Yeah, I was going to say, Jensen's already locked for being the champion, to being the Daytona champion from early in the season. Yeah, race number 1. Oh,
Tim Montoya!
Tim Montoya!
This guy wants the chase.
Yeah, this guy, he knew, so this is perfect. I think he wants to go 3 in a row.
Well, he tried to go 3 in a row but couldn't, so he'll look for 3 wins on the season here at Watkins Glen. And sweep done the 8-win series here at Watkins Glen. He won here at he won here at at Michigan. He won at Bristol. So he'll look for his 3rd win. He won't sweep the New England Series.
Northeast Series, well.
Same thing.
Now,
no, we got a caution?
Oh.
Whoa. No, we don't. No caution. Battle for the lead, Leo Walker.
Leo Walker. And 31, Tim Montoya.
Whoa!
Oh, they touch. They touch.
Oh, they did more contact.
They touch. There. Oh my God, this is just
hanging over here.
Wow, I never saw that ever.
Bristol bump and run at Watkins Glen, and it works out for Leo Walker.
Oh, whoa! Someone got
a little loose back there.
Somebody just kissed the wall right there.
I think that car has a date with the arm color. I don't know who would be buying the dinner though.
Jamie.
No.
Yes, I already have your card in my hand.
Was it a coincidence I have yours in mind?
No, that's someone's that's my prepaid one. Have fun only having 26 cents.
You know, I just reloaded it to have $16,000 on it.
Nope, sorry, it's not reloadable. It's Visa 1 vanilla. You cannot read.
Well, there's someone's card in my hand, and I'm not gonna read the name, but I am gonna splurge on some New York style cheesecake after the race.
Ooh, is that our editor?
I think so.
Oh my God, we're gonna have lots of cheesecake after this.
Oh yes, we are gonna be in a food coma on our way to Mallory Park.
We're gonna fly to Britain or England, and we're gonna have a jolly good time there.
Just make sure you leave your British accent behind. Oh, whoa, look at this!
Oh, we got 2 wide.
Contact! More bit! They're still banging over there!
They're hitting each other like it's premier boxing.
Oh, they hit again!
Wow.
And it works out for the 20.
Yeah. Let's go back to the front here. And
let's go back up front. Leo Walker still has the lead. Tim Montoya in second. My pick versus your pick. My pick's out in front.
But you know, Tim Montoya will try to beat Leo Walker right there.
Let's see if he can. I mean, Tim Montoya, this will be a great run for him if he can make it 3 wins on the season and possibly make it into the chase after being a sleeper driver this whole entire season.
Yeah, he's been like top 30, top 20. It's not that consistent, but turning race to the chase, he pounced.
Oh, speaking of pouncing, look at that.
Whoa.
He is right on the back bumper. Leo Walker laying the bumper to her.
Whoa.
Got her up on track.
This is side by side.
Contact.
Battle for the lead right here. And there goes the 31.
There goes the 31 right to the lead.
Wow, 31 is Tim Montoya. Great prospect.
Oh, but he drives it wide just a little bit, keeps it going. In the crash is Montoya.
Wow.
Goodness. Let's check on the battle of the streets right here. Just a second. That's not the battle. Nick Pericles over Robert Piet, I do believe. Yes, Nick Pericles is winning the battle of the streets.
I cannot wait to go to Charlotte for the final one.
Exactly, the final battle of the streets race at Charlotte for the season finale. 6 of 13, caution free. Anything can happen though.
Yeah, anything can happen. Anything will happen.
And it has happened. Remember, Josh, we did a test race, and we saw the 54 bounce on his roof. We saw a battle for the lead, and now we see it again here.
Now here we go. Tim Montoya, Leo Walker. These will not quit. Well, here is the number 22.
And here comes the 30 of Elena Rose.
Oh, Elena Rose, where did she come from? Oh, 31. Gets in the grass.
This is unbelievable racing here. I have never seen a race like this before.
Me either. This is just... They are just really want to win this race.
Fastest lap is the 33 of Pericles, 107.514, but he's nowhere near the front. He's currently... I'm not going to check that because we got a pretty good fight for this race. Lead! Tim Montoya nearly got a piece of that barrier. Man. This is going to come all the way down to the wire between these two. Tim Montoya still has second. Elena Rose there. There's Jackie Tang making a little noise, but not going to make this chase. That suspension killed her in points. So
yeah.
Not going to make the chase.
Yeah, it killed him.
Not killed him in points. Yo, Tim Montoya knocking on the door again.
Tim Montoya just wants to get up there and wants to win this race. Tim Montoya has been up there with Leia Walker the most here.
Let's see if it can work out for him, though. He might be strategizing a little something there for that final lap.
Yeah, which is about 4 laps, five laps ahead.
Let's go ahead and check on the field here. Chase Smith all the way back in last. Jeffrey Fengai, there he is in 35th. Wants to play it safe and go on into Mallory Park with a chance to lock into the chase.
Yeah, wrecking will cut your points in half.
Yeah, it'll cut your points in half, and it'll make you put your tail behind your legs. Oh, big contact between the 20 and the 12.
Small May Holland.
More contact.
Ooh. Don't wreck it. Don't wreck it. Don't wreck it. Don't wreck it, please.
This is unbelievable. Give a call here to Daniel Boyles too, Josh. Daniel Boyles top 15.
Yeah, and they got number 33 of Nick Perkins.
It's still Leia Walker going out in front. They fan out here in the short chute into turn number 10.
Leia Walker still leading this race here. And you know, I have a trigger finger. I want. Can we crank it up?
You read my mind, Josh. Ladies and gentlemen, for the final time on our road course in Season 7, we're going to let you enjoy some high-octane power here by our award-winning NBCSN sound crew. Crank it up! From the helicopter, Josh, you can see the top 3.
Yes, we can here. Top 3 can see it.
An unbelievable shot. Great job by Tim Glen here. Unfortunately, is not mic'd up for this race. He'll most likely be mic'd up for our final regular season race at Mallory Park.
It'll come up in next week, so I cannot wait for that here.
I cannot wait either. Our return to Mallory Park, first time since season number 2. And speaking of 2 left, and the caution! The caution is out!
Wow! And this will probably be that. And what happened?
The 54, the 3. Chase Smith looks to be involved.
No, don't think Chase Smith is involved here.
I don't know, but what in the world happened? That's going to bring out the caution. Leia Walker is going to win it.
Yeah, so your pick will win today's race.
Unbelievable. Not the way that Leia Walker wants to win a race, though, under the caution.
Yeah.
But while they circuit the track under the yellow to get the checkered flag, or the white flag, then the checkered, let's take a look and see what happens between these two. All right, Josh, this is going to end the race under the caution here. You see the 54 in the grass going to come into the picture right there. into the 3. The 3 goes into the Arnco barrier. Then the 3 says, okay, take that, and runs him straight into the Arnco.
Ouch. And that brings out our caution here for today.
Sadly, I don't like ending races under cautions. I like these races finishing under the green. Leo Walker is going to go home victorious, though, so let's get to the finish. Welcome back to Watkins Glen. The final lap is underway. Let's give you top 10. Leo Walker is going to win it. Tim Montoya, Peachy London, Elena Rose, Jackie Tang, Chris Washer, Tom Hall, Zachary Fitzwater, Andrew Robinson, and Diana Vasquez in 10th. So give a call here to Leo Walker, Josh. Not going to make the chase, but still proving to be the best racer on the track.
Yeah, so she will win here today.
So while they circuit the track under the caution, we got some more people going to lock into this chase. Let's get to it. Third in points. Let's see, where's third in points? Josh, you have the paper up?
No, I don't. You have it.
Oh, there it is. Third in points, no wins, but consistently inside the top 10 and top 15 is going to be the 60 and the Season 5 champ of Sonacourse. One more driver is going to lock in, and let's get to them, or let's get to him or her. That would be your underdog, who is literally in the back of this pack. Or not in the back of the pack, towards the front. It's going to be no wins, but consistently in the top 35. Let's see. Make it one more circuit here. Consistently in the top 35. The 51 of Filipinos.
Filipinos? Yeah, so this is a really great for Filipinos right there. And anyone else think?
Well, we got our first wild card chaser of the season, and Josh. Well, we got to get to the finish here, so let's get back up. Leo Walker's gonna win it, ladies and gentlemen. Leo Walker victorious here at Watkins Glen. Anyway, let's get to your first wild card chaser. Josh, you may know him. I know him. Everybody knows him. DASCAR president, two-time champion, Robert Piet.
He's locked in the wild card position.
That is unbelievable. No wins this season, consistently up there. Almost got a win a couple races ago. But today, a wild card spot earns him a spot in the chase.
So that is going to be great for him.
And the rest of the field, who wants to lock into the chase, they have one more shot.
Mallory Park, all the way in Derby, England.
Exactly.
I think that's in Derby, England. Actually, no.
I'm not sure.
It is in England anyway. This is a glorious spot from our NBC crew.
My goodness, what a great Tim Lynn as he flies away from the speedway. Just a
he's gonna land. Yeah, he's gonna land in our Connecticut, our NBC DASCAR Connecticut office.
He'll refuel and then head on over to Mallory Park.
Free behind an airplane.
Exactly.
Because, yeah, he was from the riding helicopter all the way to Britain, or England, I mean, over in Europe. I should say that.
I mean, this is just a beautiful shot.
It's a beautiful shot here. Thank you, Tim Lynn.
Anyway, nice job.
Yeah, So, Leo Walker, Tim Montoya, Paul Beach London, and Lena Rose Jackie Ting, Chris Washer, Tom Hall, Terry Facewetter, Andrew Royston, and Diana Vasquez top 10.
Rounding out the field, Ian Dutta. No cars off, no cars one lap down. Everyone finishes on the lead lap. So that's it. That's the last road course there. We'll head on over to Mallory Park in Britain for our final speedway of the regular season.
Alright, so thank you all for watching. I'm Joshua Michaels.
And I'm Jeremy Pinto for all of us here at NBCSN, NBC, NBC DASCAR, DASCAR Vredestein Nationwide Series. Keep their hammer down, and we'll see you at Mallory Park.